72 Echo X-ray, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 3019, Burbank class Charlie, surface area is IFR, say intentions.
If you can maintain special VFR, asking for special VFR transition on the 101 westbound 2 Echo X-ray.
November 2 Echo X-ray, hold outside Burbank class Charlie airspace. I have an aircraft going around.
2 Echo X-ray, hold it. Negative, hammer you, 2 Echo X-ray.
X-ray, roger, and Van Nuys is also IFR.
2 Echo X-ray.
It's going to be a little bit. I got a citation on a 9-mile final, and then the go around that I just had is going to be turning base to final in about 3 minutes.
Okay, we'll continue holding 2 Echo X-ray.
November 2 Echo X-ray, and for your planning purposes, you can expect to transition to the north side of the airport. I just spoke with Van Nuys on the line, and they've got multiple IFR departures coming off of runway 16, so you can expect to follow the 5 north and cross that way.
2 Echo X-ray, no problem.
317 Pop-Up Burbank Tower. You can expect a few minutes. I got a special VFR helicopter I need to get transitioning. He's been holding for about 15 minutes. South, northwest, follow the 5 freeway, maintain special VFR condition at or below 2,500.
Maintain special VFR at or below 2,500 I-5 northbound 2 Echo X-ray.
Number 2 Echo X-ray, roger, and you're cleared through Burbank class Charlie surface area from the southeast to the northwest.
Copy that, we'll maintain special VFR, copter 2 Echo X-ray.
X-ray, for your transition to Camarillo, did you just want to follow the 118?
118, and then we'll look around Van Nuys to catch the 101 2 Echo X-ray.
Number 2 Echo X-ray, roger. Number 2 Echo X-ray, continue following the 5 northwestbound to join the 118, and then Van Nuys will work you through. Radar services terminated. Remain at squawk. Contact Van Nuys helicopters 119.0.
2 Echo X-ray, switch you to Van Nuys. Van Nuys helicopter 2 Echo X-ray with you for the special VFR transition. We are currently at 1400.
Helicopter 72 Echo X-ray, Van Nuys Tower. Wind calm, visibility 2 1/2, feeling 1,100 overcast, Van Nuys altimeter 3016. Cleared into Van Nuys class Delta, northeast of Van Nuys along the 118 freeway westbound. Advise when you're in VFR conditions or when you're clear of the Van Nuys class Delta. Transition at or below 2,500 permitting.
2 Echo X-ray, advise in VFR condition, and then we'll stay on the 118, so we're currently at 1400, and we have 0235.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. And once you clear Van Nuys Delta, did you want to talk to SoCal?
Affirmative, 2 Echo X-ray.
Streamline 117, contact SoCal departure. Helicopter 2 X-ray, understand, just remain this frequency, and again, 118 west.
2 Echo X-ray, 118 west. Tower for 2 Echo X-ray, can we go ahead and start turning to the southwest close to 11?
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, approved, and are you transitioning in VFR condition?
VFR condition 1,500, 2 Echo X-ray.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. Contact SoCal now 134.2 for flight following 34-2.
34-2.
X-ray ident. So X-ray, yeah, you're still on a 1200 code. Are you requesting flight following? Southwest 2080, SoCal approach fly, present heading, maintain 6000.
Present heading 6000, Southwest 2080.
2 Echo X-ray, what do you say intentions? What do you did? 2 Echo X-ray, you're still too low level for flight following at this time. This is 4051, you're 5 miles from Silex, turn left heading 100, maintain 4000 to establish local code out Zulu 8.
That's 100, maintain 4000 to establish, good the Alice Zulu runway 8, southwest, 46 west.
2 Echo X-ray, SoCal.